Baby soup, guys. Baby soup, guys.
Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambenami, zungishiyalami. Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambenami. Yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, kidsfashiontrend is a huge brand that keeps. Today I'm going to be talking about my two tiny pets that are not real, but one has their birthday on November the 28th. Yeah, so let me show you. This one is born on the November the 28th, and her birthday's on the November 28th, and it's November, so it's close to her birthday. And her birthday is on summer, which is, well, my birthday is on summer. It's the same day as mine. June the 22nd, and that's when it's my birthday too. Okay? So we are both having coincidence. We are both have the same birthdays at the same day, and they are both having coincidence. They have their birthday on November. Okay? And they want to kiss you. They kiss you. And this one has beautiful rainbow spots. See on her wavy tail. This one is a koala bear, but a koala bear has sharp teeth, so it will bite you. But I thought they were cute and they had tiny teeth, but they have big teeth that are sharp. See, I have tiny. See, and they don't even have any teeth. This is the mean koala bear that has big teeth. Big teeth that will bite you. Okay, so yeah, these are my beautiful koala bears. That's not real. If it was real, then it'll be biting me every time and it'll be going on my head. Okay? Got it. So, and now time to talk about this one. Let me put my sharp koala bear. Let's talk about, I don't even know what this animal is, but it has purple, beautiful hair. Look at this beautiful tail that's whacking about. It's just whacking. Okay, this logo says T-Y. Does anyone know what this logo says? T-Y. And it got the sign McDonald's. So I got this from McDonald's. So, now, she has glittery, beautiful eyes, like these. They're both sisters because they are both twins. Well, they're not twins with their body, but see? She's orange and she's green, so that's how it makes her different. But they're both rainbow, so that's why they're sisters. So now, guys, are you excited to reveal the view who two birthdays is gonna be? It's gonna be my mom and my Leannery. So come on up, Leannery. and she's going to be 10, double digit. But right now she's 9.5, but after she's going to be 10.
Hi guys, so I am the birthday girl and I'm 9 3/4. So I'm gonna be 9 in 2 weeks. And
No, you mean you're going to be 10.
10 in 2 weeks. So basically, and this is the thing that you have never known about me and my mum. So drama please. Me and my mom's birthday are 1 day apart. So my birthday is on the 26th of this month and my mom's birthday is on the 28th of this month.
So it's 1 month, so it's 27. After 27 is mine.
And since lockdown, we can't meet up with each other because of social distancing. But we're going to have a mini party at home. And I have no clue what my hairstyle is and what my birthday dress is going to look like and what my cake is going to look like. Can you please tell me?
Cute.
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yana,
What?
like it? Hey! Hey!
Yes, I'm really excited for my birthday party, guys, because I'm going to be double digit and I'm going to be 10. 10. Giddy up my hussy. 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 It's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be so, yeah. Let's party in the house, yeah. Yeah.